happy November. It is now officially November. It's November the 1st, no, the 2nd today, and I'm already in the Christmas spirit. I have literally got Christmas films on the TV, on the Christmas channel, because I now have Sky, and Sky has a Christmas channel, which is basically what I bought it for. I'm very happy about that, but it's about 1:30. I've had a pretty productive day so far. I have cleaned my bathroom. I've got a new shower, which you would have seen in the first little shot, but I'll show you now actually. So my shower was quite old and horrible and it broke. And this is the new shower. It's the same brand, so it's called Mira. And this is just one of their ones from B&Q. I'll push that back so you can see. And it's got like a little soap dish that's attached to it as well, which is really cute. But I just thought this matched the bathroom so much better than the old one, and you can sort of just see it really goes with everything so much better. That's my bath mat, I just washed it. But yeah, so I've cleaned all of my bathroom. I am now going to make myself some lunch and get a few more bits sorted. My Luna Rose London stock is going to be in a shop in Durham for 2 months, from November the 9th until December the 24th. So if you're in Durham, go down to the shop. I'll leave all the details below so that you can see. But that's all going to be in there. So I've sorted out all the stock, put like all the display items and stuff in bags and boxes. I've got to drop that off. I need to go to the post office, but I'm not sure if I'm a little bit late. I think it might have closed already, but I'm really hungry, so I'm going to eat first and then do that. And if not, I'll just post parcels on Monday. Then tonight I am having a girls' night with one of my best friends. She's going to come over here. She's going to come over here and we're going to have like an M&S dine-in for 2 dinner, because I love those. And then we're probably just going to go to Harbour Hotel for a few drinks. Nothing crazy, but we've both had a bit of a tough week, so we just thought it'd be nice to go for a couple of drinks. For lunch today, I'm going to have, I don't know whether to do scrambled or poached eggs. Haven't decided. I've got some salmon. I've got this baguette. These are the ones that you can freeze and then just pop in the oven. And some avocado. I've also got some Philadelphia, so I might put that on there as well. Right, I've just got back from Asda. I ordered a couple of things online and got them delivered to the store, and they've just arrived. They always use these huge boxes and I don't know why, it really annoys me. I just bought a few things last time and it came in this ginormous box, and now it's the same again. But oh well, at least it can go in the recycling. The first thing I got is this pan. Now I don't know if I really need a new pan. I know one of mine is on its way out, but I always complain about how you can only cook one thing in a pan, and I saw this one online. I think it was in the sale for like £14, and it's got 3 different things, so you can do, I don't know, like eggs, mushrooms and bacon in here, and I just thought it was a really, really cool idea to sort of save on washing up, and I don't know, it's a very adult thing to buy. And for £14, yeah. I also got some digital home scales. I think these were £5 or something silly, and they're just sort of plain white electrical home scales. Let's see. Yeah, they're just really nice, like plain white. I don't know how you turn it on and off. I haven't. There we go. And it just comes up in red down here. I just thought they were quite cool. And currently I'm using this, which is from Poundland a long time ago, and it's split and it's just, yeah. So that can go in the bin and this can stay in the kitchen. Now the last thing I bought is, this is the second lot of them I've bought, but I bought some for my house. And now, because my stock is in the pop-up shop, I needed some more for me because I wanted to use these baskets for the display to put all of the palettes in and everything. So I got some new ones of these for me. These are just plain rose gold baskets. It was £6 for 2. I think you can get them in like gold as well, not just rose gold. But this one where did I put it? I can't remember where I had this one. Oh, this one was in the living room with some books and things inside it. And then this one was on my dressing table with all of my eyeshadow palettes in it. So they were all kind of stacked nicely. But yeah, £6 for 2, absolute no-brainer. I think it was about £25 for all of this stuff, so winning. I'm just gonna pop the saucepan in here. Now I do actually have quite a few pans, and there's obviously that one underneath there, but that's the one that's on its way out. So I think if I put that in there, and then that one there, maybe that will fit. There we go. Oh. Now the scales fit perfectly just in there. This is the big basket here. This is sort of my new table arrangement, and I've just popped in some of the books, and then I've also got the wax melts. I think this was from Poundland, but it actually smells really good. Some of the wax melts there, and yeah, just that cute little area. We have also got the small rose gold basket here, and just with all of my palettes in it. This is the Luna Rose highlight palette. I've got a MAC one, an MUA one, another Luna Rose, and then these were all sort of like testers that I was testing out for Luna Rose. So it's very handy. Good morning. So, bit of a change of plan actually. In case you haven't noticed, I didn't go away, haven't gone to Germany like I mentioned in my beauty video, but I will explain everything later. For now, I have to go to the garage to get my car fixed, then I have to go to my mum's to look after the dogs, then I have to go back to the car to get back to the garage to get my car, then shopping, then back home, then I'm staying at my mum's and I'm cooking with my sister. So there is a lot going on today. And I have a meeting later and all these, there's so much going on today, and it's one of those days where I feel like I need to be everywhere at once. So this is going to be fun. But I just quickly wanted to show you my outfit. So I've got my Holland Cooper jumper on. Again, I absolutely love this jumper. My In The Style pink trousers, Public Desire boots, and Marc Jacobs coat. Oh. And also my Fendi sunglasses. These have got like the pink arm or whatever you call it. But yeah, so I'm in a rush. I'm gonna grab my bag, jump in the car, take the car to the garage, and then I'll probably see you back at my mum's. Say hello, Lucy. Say hiya. Sit down. Good girl. What's happening? Are you jealous? Come here then. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Why don't you listen? I'm not going to stroke your bum. There we go. Oh. Sit down. So I'm at my mum's house now. I am just staying here while she's away, feeding the dogs, looking after the dogs, looking after the house, and my sister will be here too. But I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a life update really. So at the end of last week, was it last week or the week before? I don't know. But one of those days, I stopped working with my business partner for Luna Rose, which was quite a big shock and a big thing to happen. I've had to figure a lot of things out since then. I'm just like working on my other businesses as well, and everything just went like a little bit crazy for a period of time. Hence the reason this vlog is so kind of disjointed. But obviously that meant that I didn't go to Germany. No, I think it was 2 weeks ago actually. So not last week, the week before, because I was supposed to be in Germany last week. So obviously I didn't go to Germany because that was supposed to be the trip for that. Everything's just kind of changed quite a lot. And then my shower broke, so I had to get a new shower. The back brakes on my car went, so I had to get new ones of those, and everything just went a bit crazy, and that's why my car's in the garage today. So I've kind of just been like off the radar a little bit, I suppose, but I'm just getting back into like working now, doing everything now, and yeah, just gradually getting there. I just saw a reflection of my hand in the window and I thought there was someone filming me from outside. It's my hand filming me. Duh. But yeah, so that's why I've been a little bit quiet and this vlog's been a little bit everywhere, but I'm getting there. So me and my sister are going to cook fajitas tonight. I need to go to town for a meeting. I need to collect my car. I need to go to Becca and buy some new foundation because theirs is the best and I don't wear another one. So just quite a lot to do really.
So my makeup brushes are now clean. I used this for the first time. This is the Antibacterial brush sanitizer from Superdrug, I think this is from. And it says to spray it on the brushes and just wipe them with a tissue, but I used water and just sort of rinsed them off and cleaned them as well because I feel like that gets them more clean. But apart from being extremely potent, this cleaned them quicker than soap does. I normally use like baby shampoo, but this actually worked better. So I'll leave a link to this down below, but yeah, I think this actually worked. Like, that's the quickest I've ever cleaned all of my makeup brushes. And then I'm going to leave them in the airing cupboard, which is just there, to dry out overnight before I use them tomorrow. It's quite dark, so I don't know if you could see, but this is just where I keep all of my sheets and bedding and stuff like that. But I've popped the brushes there and I just leave them there overnight because in the airing cupboard, everything just kind of dries. That's so messy. Oh my God. I'm going to close that door. But they will be dry by the morning. I am going to finish my coffee, get my stuff. I'm going to do wash my hair, put a face mask on, all of that kind of stuff at my mum's tonight, cook fajitas with my sister, and yeah, so time to pack an overnight bag. Morning guys, so I'm back home now from my mum's. I was just about to finish the vlog, but I just got home to a really exciting parcel, so I'm just going to open this with you. It's from Beauty Bay, and if you can't already guess what it is, then I'm excited to tell you. Oh my God, it looks beautiful! I'm gonna open it with you because it just looks so pretty. So if you didn't know, this is the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. Now this is obviously following the whole series that they did. I love Shane's videos. I watch them all the time. The first Jeffree Star collection is what inspired me to continue my beauty business, all of that kind of stuff. And oh my God, this is beautiful. I've never actually owned a Jeffree Star palette, so this is my first one. I really don't want to bend the box, but I also want to get it out with one hand. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so nice. So this casing is all like plastic, but it's like a velvet kind of plastic. It's so pretty. Let's get this out. Oh my goodness. This is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's so weird like seeing it in the series and then actually having it here in real life. How beautiful is that? I kind of don't want to touch it because it just looks so beautiful. I really want to like, oh,
Wow. Okay, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy with this. I might have to do some kind of look with this. Not that I'm very good at makeup, but we'll give it a go. So thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry that today's vlog has been a bit of a weird one, been a bit disjointed, but I have got videos planned. I have got lots of things planned. I just had a bit of a terrible week, to say the least. So thank you very much for watching if you've made it this far, and I will see you in my next video.